In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the URL path on your systeme.io pages. If you've been focusing on optimizing your sales funnels, tailoring your page URLs can make a noticeable difference in branding and visitor engagement. Stay tuned as we break down this simple process into easy steps to ensure your pages have the perfect URL path. First things first, to get started, you'll need to access your systeme.io dashboard. Open your web browser and navigate to the URL systeme.io dashboard/n/login. This is your go-to portal for managing all your pages and sales funnels within systeme.io. Once you've reached the login page, enter your login credentials. You'll need to provide your registered email address followed by your password. This step ensures that your account and all its associated features remain secure. After you've entered your details, go ahead and click on the sign in button. This action will direct you to your main systeme.io dashboard, where you can manage your various tasks. With your dashboard open, hover your cursor over the websites section. A drop-down list will appear providing various options related to web management. From this list, you'll want to select Sales Funnel. Click on it and you'll be taken to a page displaying all the sales funnels you've created so far. Now the next move is crucial. You need to find the specific funnel that contains the page whose URL path you wish to modify. Scroll through your list of funnels and click on the appropriate one. This step ensures that you're making changes to the right page without altering any funnels unintentionally. Within the selected funnel, navigate towards the page settings. Here you will see various options concerning your page's configuration and appearance. What you're looking for is the URL path field. This field is where you can input the specific path you want for your page's URL, whether it's creating a more user-friendly URL or aligning with your brand identity. It's entirely up to you what you enter here. Finally, one of the great features of systeme.io is its autosave function in this aspect. Once you have entered the new URL path, the system will automatically save your changes. There's no need to go through multiple clicks to ensure your changes are kept. This feature not only saves time but also provides a seamless experience when managing multiple pages. Now that you've completed these steps, your page will have a fresh and customized URL path, enhancing both its usability and professional appearance. Changing your URL paths in systeme.io is that simple and straightforward, and it can significantly impact the effectiveness of your online strategy. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check our other tutorials for more tips on optimizing your online presence.